Welcome to Fun Fun Travels. If you are planning a Boracay trip and want to stay in the best beach area without paying the luxury resort prices, this might be the sweet spot for you. Today, we are checking in at Sur Beach Resort, Boracay. Is this the best value beachfront stay in Station 1? Come on, let's find out. From Boracay Port in Cagban, we took a tricycle and told the driver to drop us off at Sur Beach Resort, a beachfront resort located in Station 1. Station 1 is known for having the most pristine white sand and a much quieter atmosphere compared to the other parts of this island. Fare was around 150 pesos to 200 pesos.
Morning.
We arrived around check-in time at 2 p.m. The staff welcomed us at the front desk and processed our booking. After completing check-in and receiving our room keys, they assisted us with our luggages upstairs. There are no elevators in this property, but the staff carried our bags for us without hesitation. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and organized the space looks. The queen-size bed sits at the center of the room, 2 pillows on each side. The mattress feels supportive. When we tested it lying down briefly, it felt stable and comfortable. On both sides are bedside tables with lamp, convenient for nighttime lighting and charging devices. Across the room is a small rattan seating area with a table. We actually use this space to organize our things and later enjoy coffee inside the room. Amenities inside this room are the following: cable TV, complimentary bottled water, coffee and electric kettle, mini refrigerator, closet with hangers, and safety deposit box. Now, let's check the bathroom. The bathroom is compact but functional. It includes a toilet with bidet, hair dryer, dental kits, toiletries, small sink area, the hot and cold shower works properly and the water pressure is decent. It's not a large bathroom, but everything is clean and working as expected. We booked this room for around 3,500 pesos per night. For a beachfront property in Station 1, that pricing is competitive. Walking around the property, the resort has a relaxed tropical feel. There are open-air walkways, landscape gardens, and even a koi pond. There's also a small souvenir shop inside the resort for basic items and pasalubong. Important to note though that they do not have a swimming pool. But once you see the beachfront access, you'll understand why it may not be necessary. Near the beachfront area is the main bar. This is where guests can order drinks and light food throughout the day. Sur Boracay has a happy hour promo from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Buy one, take one on cocktails. So, we had to try this. We ordered cocktails and paired them with nachos. The drinks were well balanced, not overly sweet, and the nachos were generously topped and good for sharing. Right beside the bar are cabanas that guests can use for free. They also have beach beds set up directly in the beachfront area. No extra rental fee, no minimum spend. If you're staying here, you simply choose a spot and relax. One of the biggest reasons to stay at Sur Beach Resort is direct access to Station 1 Beach. Station 1 has the best pristine white sand beach and a noticeably quieter atmosphere compared to the other areas here in Boracay. The sandy area is wide. You can comfortably play volleyball, walk without bumping into crowds, or simply chill and relax with plenty of personal space. The sand feels finer and softer under our feet. The water is crystal clear, especially in the morning when it's calm and less crowded. And when sunset comes, this is one of the best spots on the island to experience it. The wide beachfront gives you an unobstructed view of the horizon, and the colors reflect beautifully on the water. If your priority in Boracay is beach quality and peaceful surroundings, Station 1 is hard to beat. Our stay includes free a la carte breakfast served in the restaurant. They offer mostly Filipino breakfast sets along with some international options, plus free coffee, of course. The portions are satisfying and freshly prepared. After breakfast, we enjoyed walking along the beach while it was still quiet, taking photos and appreciating the calm vibe of Station 1. Sur Beach Resort offers strong value for its location. Prime beachfront in Station 1, clean and cozy rooms, free beach beds and cabanas, wide pristine white sand access, friendly and helpful staff, and competitive pricing. For around 3,500 pesos per night in Station 1, this is a solid value option. That's all for now, friends. Like and subscribe Fun Fam Travels for more family-oriented travel experience.